Hey guys, how are you? This is Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and today we're talking about the 5 things that no seller is ever going to tell you when purchasing a boat or yacht of any size. The first thing and the most important piece of information when buying any yacht is the recent sales price. An owner's not going to know it, a seller or manufacturer doesn't want you to know it, but every yacht sale is tracked in a yachting MLS, which means that if someone paid $2 million for a 2012 62-foot Princess, the next buyer should never be willing to pay anything more than the amount paid by the last purchaser. Most sellers use this as a tactic to inflate the listing price of their yacht to create a perceived deal for unrepresented and uninformed purchasers. The second thing that a seller is never going to tell you is the true charter potential of a yacht. Anyone selling a yacht wants you to buy it and doesn't really care too much about how you're going to use it after you purchase it. So of course they're going to tell you until they're blue in the face that it's going to charter great, you're going to reduce or offset all your operating costs. But that might not always be true, as there's more yachts being made available for charter, newer models at cheaper rates. So something to always consider. The third thing that you need to know a seller will never tell you when purchasing a yacht is the true running costs or operational costs an owner endures while owning a yacht. This is a key telltale sign to the true condition of a yacht and how it was maintained by the owner. By asking for the accounting, by asking for the records, you're going to know if there was an aggressive maintenance program in place, which in turn is going to benefit you in your ownership experience once you take control. The fourth thing that no seller is ever going to tell you is alternatives that might work better for you. They have a reason to sell that yacht that you're speaking to them about. This is why it really benefits you to have a broker in your corner that strictly represents you in the purchase to lay out alternatives that might be better for you that you might not realize are out there. And the fifth thing that a seller is never going to tell you is the commission that's on the table for the yacht they're selling. If your broker is, let's buy this yacht, this is the yacht for you, and suddenly they change their mind or a swift change of course, it might be because they might not stand to make that much on that particular vessel as they would on another yacht. So it's always very important to know that someone's acting ethically on your behalf, but this is something to take note of anytime when buying a yacht. So thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com, for other great yacht purchasing resources as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.